Hello mga kapatid! Kamusta kayong lahat dyan? Ako po si Blessy dito sa bansang Bahrain. Napansin niyo ba na napakarami ng video sa YouTube patungkol sa how to make a face mask? Dito po sa bansang Bahrain ay mandatory na rin po ang pagsasuot ng face mask. Maging simple man or surgical style ng face mask, kailangan na magsuot ito kahit saan ka man pumunta. Kaya, sa video na to ay susubukan din natin gumawa o magtahi ng face mask. And for the meantime, work muna po tayo. Gawin natin mamaya pag uwi ng bahay. See you! Using a template size 40 cm by 20 cm, fold it in half to make a perfect square. Put a mark for every 5 cm. Do the same on the opposite side. We will connect this mark to the center mark. Now connect this mark to the center. Do the same on the opposite side. Put a pin to make it more stable. Lastly, we will put the elastic and then it will be ready to stitch. And now, here's the final outcome. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. And click on the notification bell so that you will be notified for the next video to come. Stay safe, everyone. God bless.